Welcome to WizzeBoo, where stories, colors, and fun come alive.
Hello, super learners! Today we are going to draw and color Sprunki number 4. Let's get started.
Red and orange, yellow too.
First, draw one big rectangle. This will be Sprunki number 4's main body.
Color bright and color bold in the world.
Now draw the bottom body underneath the rectangle. Make it long and slightly narrow toward the bottom.
Sprunki's color parade, hooray!
Great! Now let's move to the face. First, draw both eyes. Make them big and square-shaped. Now draw the eye details inside the eyes. Add the pupils and small highlights. Next, draw the eyebrows above the eyes.
And white, learn them all. All right, Sprunki shouts, come and see. Colors live in you and me.
Now draw a happy, smiling mouth. Inside the mouth, add the teeth. Then draw the tongue inside the mouth. Awesome! Finally, write number 4 at the top. Perfect! Sprunki number 4 is ready. Coloring time. Now let's bring Sprunki number 4 to life with colors. First, pick black, B-L-A-C-K. Color the pupils inside the eyes. Also color the inside mouth area with black.
Colors one by one, learning is so much fun. Color fast and color slow. Sprunki helps us as we go.
Wonderful!
Sprunki's color parade, hooray! Color the world.
Now pick dark green, D-A-R-K-G-R-E-E-N. Color the eye outlines. Color the eyebrows. And color the smile outline.
Color the world in a fun light. Sprunki's color song won't end. Sing again with every friend. Hey! Hello, Sprunki. Hello, friend. Let's count numbers till the end. 1, 2, 3, and 4 we go.
Looking great!
We'll always grow. Colors bright and numbers high.
Now pick green, G-R-E-E-N. Color the whole body of Sprunki number 4. Color carefully and stay inside the lines.
Sprunki, Sprunki, you and me learn and play so happily. Count with joy, 1, 2, 3. Sing this song with Sprunki. Shapes and colors, fun today. Let's go learn the Sprunki way. Yellow, blue, and green so bright. Learning feels so warm and right. Jump along, don't stop now. We can learn, we know how. Sprunki says, let's start again. Learning songs with every friend. Sprunki, Sprunki, you and me learn and play so happily. Count with joy, 4, 5, 6. Sing this song with Sprunki. Clap your hands, stomp your feet. Learning numbers can't be beat. Spin around and pat your knees. Sprunki's song brings learning ease. Sprunki, Sprunki, you and me learn and play so happily. Count with joy, 7, 8, 9. This Sprunki song feels so divine. Sprunki, Sprunki, you and me learn and play so
Fantastic!
Count with joy, 7, 8, 9. This Sprunki song.
Finally, pick dark pink, D-A-R-K-P-I-N-K. Color the tongue inside the mouth.
One more time before we go. Sprunki song.
Perfect! Mini game. Can you find something green around you? Point to it. Great job! Now show me 4 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome! That's number 4. Learning time. Let's learn together. This is number 4. Let's count to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job! 4 is spelled F-O-U-R. 4. Sprunki says, "Hi friends, I'm Sprunki number 4. I love learning, drawing, and coloring with you." Amazing work, super learners! You drew Sprunki number 4, you colored Sprunki number 4, and you learned the number 4. See you next time for another Friend Sprunki adventure. Bye-bye!
Thanks for watching WizzeBoo. See you next time for more fun adventures.